Hey, what's up guys? I'm Omega, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use temperature sensor with any Arduino models. And before that, make sure to hit that like button and punch that subscribe button so you can hear a click in your ears. And let's get started. And also hope you all are safe. Alright, so here we go guys. This is the code as you can see here, and here is all these things. Alright, so you already know what things you need. These are the jumper wires. I already connected them, one to the 5 volt, another to the ground. This white one is attached to the ground, and the green one to any of the digital pin. I'm using 7 as usual, and also the resistor I have already connected it to the breadboard. You can see the connection here. Isn't it cool? Jeez. And the main thing, and I'm also doing this on breadboard, sorry to mention. Yeah, and also the main thing of this project, that is the temperature sensor. Although I will recommend not to buy this one, because this is the most cheapest and it is the most inefficient, most power consuming, and it is also not very accurate and also has many problems. And you can see there are words written on the back. Focus, mate, focus. Holy jeez, my camera. Yeah, this thing runs on 3.3 to 5 volt. Yeah, it is written already here. 3.3 to 5 volt works at minus 20 to 60 degrees Celsius. And what else? Alright, it works humidity between 5% to 95%, or cool. That's good, but I had used this before in many of my projects, so I know that it works well above 100 degrees Celsius. I don't know why they did not write those here. Yeah, and also the voltage is, it can handle up to 7 volts without any problem, and here it is written 5.5 volts. I don't know why they did does some this type of things. And also it can handle humidity up to 100%. Yeah, accuracies, meant accuracies. And also now let's get connected. You see the resistor is connected in this way, because I will be connecting the first and the second from the your right side, my left side, whatever pins. By the way, this is the VCC pin, and that one is the GND pin. Let me get a pencil. Sorry. Alright, so this is the VCC, this is the digital, and this is the ground. We don't need the third one. And in the more costlier ones, those are expensive and more accurate, they don't have this pin. This pin is of no use. It is, I don't know why they give this, I don't know. And alright, connect this. VCC will be 5 volt. I'm using 5 volt. You can use 3.3 volt. Yeah, and any Arduino will work. That's not a big deal. I'm connecting the 5 volt to the 5 volt pin from the Arduino to the temperature sensor, ground to the ground, and the digital to the digital. Alright, this is the digital, the pin. It is done. It's quite easy, isn't it? Now this is the USB plug that I'm going to connect with my Arduino to connect it to my laptop. Boop. Alright, now it's online. Let's get into the programming part. So here we go guys. Now the main thing, that is you need this library. I'll put a link in the description, so make sure to check that. This is the download it and also install it like this. If you go to the link and download the file, and then go to where you need to go to, sorry I forgot, yeah, whatever, you need to go to include library and insert the zip file here, like add.zip library, and something will open up, and yeah, that's how it goes. Alright, this thing will open up. Yeah, anyway, so you're gonna need this library. This is the DHT library. For that DHT, I wrote this in capital because I'm going to assign the name this is to assign the pin. And also don't forget, this is a very important thing, many people forget to write this line of code and they ask that their code is not working. Stupid, man. I can't believe that. Anyway, you can set the baud rate to anything. I prefer 9600, it is the default one and I'm too lazy to change it. Anyway, and also you need to declare the pin that is that you have declared there. You have to declare it here so that the module and the Arduino knows that which pin you want to use. Of course, common sense. And this is the temperature, and displaying the temperature and the humidity is quite simple. You need to write the name that you had assigned here, DHT.temperature if you want the temperature, and humidity if you want the humidity. And also one more thing, that I had experimented with this module for a couple of times and I came to know that delay 2000 is the minimum value. If you go under this like 1000, it won't work. It will show 999 plus 999 minus 999 and other weird output. So I don't recommend going below 2000, and if you want to stay safe, go above 2000 like 3000, 3500, 4000. Yeah, and don't use any float like decimal 00 or decimal, any value that includes decimal. Always make sure to keep it as an integer, not a float value, because that will also create some problem. And as I said in the first beginning of this video, this module is cheap, guys. Alright, anyway, so it is the code. Now I'm gonna, before uploading, make sure to check your COM port, make sure to check your board, and what else? Nothing. Alright, upload it. Everything is green, everything is good. Yep, things are going perfect. Green. Alright, uploading. Cool. Alright, uploaded. Yep. So let's open the serial monitor here. This is uploaded. And here the temperature 35 and 75 degree humidity, 75% humidity, 35 degrees Celsius temperature. And let me do some weird stuff like, I hope the temperature is, humidity is changing due to something. And also guys, do not try to put water over this or spill water all over the module, because this module is not waterproof. Remember that thing. And here it is 82, 80, 90, 79. Yeah, it is decreasing right now. And if I do like, oh man, alright, it is 80. Oh jeez, I wanted to increase the temperature. The temperature didn't change. Holy moly, wakaloli, or whatever. Yeah, so the module is working fine. So yeah guys, so meet you next time, and thanks for watching. And this is Omega. Peace.